whenever you are developing a Flutter application and meet this type of error called null check operator used on a null value, so it is saying that you have used a null check operator in a null value. Okay, this value is null at first, and you check, and you have passed a null check operator which is not correct at all, right? This is with this you can see here this object is null first of all, and here we have passed a null check operator which is not good. So while developing a real-time application, you can imagine an application where user have to fill up form. Okay, so while filling the form, there might be a optional section also and necessary section also. In the optional section, we have to create a null variable. If user fill up optional section, then it will accept the data that user have been filled, and if user didn't fill the optional section, then the initial data will be null, and it will pass the null value to your database. Okay, and another example I will give you. While fetching a data from any API or any online platform or anywhere, if there is data, then it will show the data. If there is null, if there is no data while fetching the data, if it doesn't found any type of data, then your app will get stuck. So you have to create a null variable which will handle this type of error, and yeah, you have to create a null null variable that will handle this type of error. So what we have to do is we have to let me do it first. You can see here is the user and here is the null-aware operator, right? If we don't have to pass null check operator, we have to pass null-aware operator. This question mark is a null-aware operator. It will help to safely check if there is data in this user object or not. If there is data in this user object, then it will safely display the data. If there is no data, then it will pass null value to user. Okay, and if this double question mark help to display what we get, right? If in this left side, if there is a value, then it will show the value, and if there is no value, then it will show this type of message. So this is how you can handle the null check operator used on a null value error in your Flutter application. Let me restart this. Either we solved or not. You can see here, yeah, the no user data is not available, right? Because there is no data that we have passed here. Everything is null. Yeah, now it's solved. If you are new at this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon.